Tubah Subdivision have celebrated the 53rd edition of the National Unity Day on May 20, 2025 on the theme Army and Nation United for a Cameroon Turned Towards Peace and Prosperity. The divisional officer for Tubah Subdivision used the occasion to call on the population to withstand the challenges of the time.
My message to the population of Tubah is that of resilience, confidence in that the Republic is alive and that the state will ensure their safety at all times. For some time, they have been under serious security challenges, but everything is done for the situation to be under control. The administration and government at large will keep on working to ensure that they live safely.
While praising the divisional officer for Tubah Subdivision for his steadfastness to see that Tubah stays alive, elites called on others to join in the construction of their subdivision.
Thankful to the local administration for making this event possible. It was well attended. For those who continue to sit on the sideline, you cannot watch history passing by. You need to participate. And we call on each one of us, the children of Tubah, the children all around, to actually participate in nation building.
After the military parades, primary, secondary and higher institutions, alongside youth-led organization, march past the grandstand. The Cameroon's People's Democratic Movement, CPDM, Mizam 5, actively participated at this year's National Unity Day in Tubah. For their contribution towards nation building, individuals and institutions in Tubah were recognized by the divisional officer for Tubah. On the other hand, the Watchdog Tribune Media Group recognized the divisional officer for Tubah as the most resilient and most courageous civil administrator of the year.